Nusa Penida, off Bali's southeastern coast, invokes a unique blend of serenity and adventure, distinguishing it from more frequented destinations. Kelingking Beach, our first stop, charms with a T-Rex cliff that promises thrilling visuals. The encapsulating site instantly evokes a sense of awe. Next, Angel's Billabong. This natural infinity pool, teeming with sparkling clear water, enthralls every visitor, making for a serene and picturesque setting. Last is the Blue Lagoon at Tembeling Beach and Forest. This spot showcases two azure seawater pools ensconced in a lush forest, the epitome of natural beauty.
Create amazing videos like this using ReelCraft AI.